live in the countryside. It is very quiet and beautiful here. The air is fresh, and there are many trees and flowers. I think life in the countryside is very peaceful and healthy. In the morning, I wake up early. I do not hear traffic or loud cars. I only hear the birds singing in the trees. There are many farms near my house. Every day I see cows, sheep, and horses eating grass in the green fields. Sometimes the farmer waves to me from his big red tractor. In the afternoon, I like to go for a long walk. There is a small forest behind my house with a narrow path. I walk near a blue river. The water is very clean and cold. Sometimes I sit on a hill and look at the mountains far away. On the dirt road, I see a few people on bicycles. In the evening, the countryside is very dark because there are no bright city lights or skyscrapers. I can see thousands of stars in the sky. My house has a big garden. I grow my own vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes. It is hard work, but the food is delicious. There is a small village near my home. It has one small shop, a post office, and a quiet church. Everyone knows my name because the people are very friendly. Life in the countryside is slow and simple, but I am very happy here. Do you live in the countryside? What do you like about it?